Hi there, welcome to another edition of our YouTube DIY tutorials. In this video we will be discussing how to build a laser-powered anti-burglary system design using Arduino, motion sensors and GSM control. The system design can be activated or deactivated using either SMS or phone calls. When you arm it via SMS, the system will return an SMS back to you, start the tripwire system and also waits to detect any intrusion. If an intrusion is detected, it will send an alarm and send SMS to the user of such intrusion. Without wasting time, let us see how this project design was built. We begin with the components and materials needed for the project design itself. To get a full copy of the components and modules used for this project design, visit the link found in the description below. We details each one and their respective function in the system design. Now let us talk about the schematic diagram for the project design. The circuit diagram is built around the Arduino Uno standalone board that controls the rest of the modules and components connected to it. The motion sensors are connected to two digital pins on the board. The importance of this would be for the motion sensors to capture the blind spots that the tripwire system missed. The LDRs are connected in series with a 10K resistor and they are placed in a direct line of sight with the laser torch. So that when the laser shines its light, it is emitted on the surface of the LDR. The turning on of the laser torches are controlled by an NPN transistor whose base is triggered by a digital pin on the Arduino standalone board. We used a buck converter to convert the 5 volts power supply to 3.3 volts for the GSM module. And it was connected in serial communication using the digital pin 11 and 12 respectively on the Arduino standalone board. The buzzer was connected also to a digital pin so that it can be triggered when there was an intrusion. This will come in handy. Now, let us assemble the project design. We begin with the building of the home model. We used a cardboard paper to model the house where we can simulate the anti-burglary detected system. It had 4 sides like a standard modern home. Each side is wired the laser-powered tripwire that can be tripped by an intruder. Of course we would add a fence around the cardboard home module such that it will be properly fenced. And to account for the intruder overcoming the tripwire system, we placed 2 motion sensor at strategic points to capture a 60-degree angle viewpoint on the model house vicinity. Let us proceed to program the system using the Arduino IDE. You can get a free copy of this code from the link in the description below. The source code was programmed to activate it or arm the system using either phone call or SMS. It could also be deactivated or disarmed using call or SMS. We specified the admins that would be able to give the design such commands, making it impossible for anyone who isn't authorized to control the system. The system only recognizes commands from the admins but returns an SMS to a user that it doesn't recognize as admin. We specified which of the LDR was used to read for the time of the day since the light intensities on the LDR changes for both night and day. This is shown in this line of code. Our conditional statements of if, else and switch cases was used to test for various conditions of the motion sensor-based laser-powered anti-burglary detection system. We use the conditional statements to check for an SMS is sent to arm or disarm the system. If an incoming SMS said arm, the code would check if the SMS command was from an authorized phone number which is the admin. If it was, it will proceed to check for the current status of the system by checking the EEPROM. If was disarmed, it will arm the system then update this on the EEPROM. Once this was done, it will call a function that would send an SMS back to the admin, telling him or her that it has successfully armed the system. However, if it was from unauthorized phone number, it will return an SMS back to the user telling it doesn't have authorization and he or she could request access from the admin. Now, let us test the system design to see if it is working as programmed. We will send the SMS arm to the GSM module. And once it is received, it armed the design and sent us back an SMS saying it has armed the project design. We can see here that it has armed the design and also an SMS has been received. Once it was armed and we try to intrude on the home model, an alarm is being raised and we will keep getting SMS for each intrusion. We can also disarm or deactivate the design using SMS by sending disarm as text to the GSM module. This will deactivate the laser tripwires and also the motion sensors. And once this was done, we will get an SMS telling us that this was remotely done. We can also test the system using phone call. You can see how this is demonstrated in the code in the description link below. And that is a wrap for us in this video tutorial. Let us know in the comments section if you have any question or if you have any request on any project you would want us to do next. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button to get our future videos if you like this video. Also share to encourage us to do more of better videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.